Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Disconcern the truth. The problem with making assumptions is that we believe they are true. We make an assumption, we misunderstand, we take it personally, then we react by sending emotional poison with our word. This creates a whole big what? Whole big drama for nothing. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 9, NASDAQ down 19, S&P's off 1, gold contract up $9.40, trading at $1,278 an ounce. Silver up 18 cents at $17.82 an ounce. Platinum up 18 bucks at $9.82 an ounce. Copper up 3.5 pennies at $2.19 a pound. Light sweet crude down a buck at $48.69 a barrel. Notes flat at 129.16. Bonds down 10 ticks, 162.04. King dollar down 514 ticks, 98.36. The euro is trading at $1.09, and the yen is trading at 104.77. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. We're at 212.64. You're banging onto the swing point from the 13th of October, and you're banging down here with volume, folks. So we've done 109 million shares. That is saying that, guess what? We're not going to make it up to the 215.74. And yeah, I'm looking like a bear, a big bad bear, folks, because this baby wants to break downtown. I think it's all she wrote. Now, catalyst? Well, the catalyst, if you haven't heard yet, folks, is that the catalyst, that is the FBI reopened the email investigation, and bottom line, that did just enough to throw volume in the market, push against the swing point, do all of the above, and yep, bottom line, I suspect the market's going to have a hard time getting up into that level flat out. Why? Because guess what? People want to take their ball and go home. You know, we get 10 days to the election, and guess what? You can't make this stuff up. Is it really 2016? Well, guess what? The market's going to show it's 2016 because people are going to take their ball, go home, and say, see ya, don't want to be ya. That's your S&Ps. We go into the NDX 100. What do we have at the NDX 100? Now, that being said, what you're going to see here is that the volatility is going to get incredibly high because the Feds are going to try to stop the market from. They'll put some roadblocks in the way as the market moves lower, and they should. Okay, you don't want this thing to blow apart. It'll be an orderly way down, but it'll be very fast and furious. Right now the market doesn't look that bad for what is going on, but what I expect you're going to see in the next hour, we're going to see a sell-off into the marketplace. Nothing big, but what you're going to see is that you're going to see an expansion of volume. You're going to see going down. The price spread's going to get bigger, and no one in their right mind would want to be long over this weekend because, I suspect what you have out here, if you've been reading anything about, it's not even the email structure. I suspect what it is, it's the Clinton initiative, it's the banned email that come out. More than likely, for the Feds to reopen that investigation, folks, okay, there's something I suspect inside of that, and those two are fighting like dogs and cats anyway. So we'll see where the whole thing shakes out. But bottom line, volatility in the markets. Yeah, the markets want to go south. Dow Industrials. What do we have with the Dow Industrials? Dow Industrials up here are trading flat, 18,174. And I expect that's going to start making its way down to 18,959. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, gold caught a bid. Gold is small ABC up. The amazing part is, like, how do the markets know this? When we were doing the show this morning, we were looking at the gold contract. I said, this looks like a small ABC up. Well, sure enough, it didn't break topside, folks, until this news came out, and as one of the targets says, someone always talks. Yeah, and this is someone rolling over, I'd say. Also, this is a rollover. So anyway, we get back to the gold contract. It took out the 1275, took it out with volume. Bottom line, now it's going to start crawling, making its way up to this 1305 number. Right now, you're at 1279. Bonds were also projecting that this market wanted to go south. What you had with the notes and the bonds is that they had gone south and they had an expanded volume. Now, that being said, what they also did is that they were going into the March of 2016. If I put the TLT up, you can see it really sweet. They were going into the March 2015 and August 2016 level with dramatically lighter volume. You're talking about, on the weekly here, we're going to do 33 million going into 77 million. So bonds want to go topside once again. That's the bottom line. You're coming into that level. I expect you're going to bounce, and with that bounce is going to be all about is markets going south. Now, the thing that's going to be pretty incredible watching how this is going to shake out is that we have window dressing that starts on Monday. So you got window dressing that starts. Was it going to make a difference? You know, it very well could be window crashing instead of window dressing. King dollar. Let's go to King dollar because you can see bottom line is that now King dollar went down too fast for the market. It comes back 564 ticks. King dollar had tested the highs. You know, nice expansion on the way up. It's a confirmed ABC structure on the way up, meaning confirmed to 100.770. And now what you have, you're pulling back. You're at 98.315. I expect what you're going to see 98.120. Bottom line is that these markets are going to be volatile. My take is that they want to go south, and you're going to see them basically build more cars, and as they go south, they'll get to a point, and probably it's not another 10 days or something, that you're going to see it very, very quickly. Small caps. Small caps are leading on the way down. The small caps had broken a swing point yesterday, did it with volume. On the weekly right now, you're going to have a small cap coming down with some good juice, breaking a swing point to 124 million. Still a little short, 124 million versus 12, but the small caps are on their way to 115 on the IWM, and we are at 118. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials right now are down 2. Nasdaq's off 21. S&Ps are off 2. We're going to be right back.